If you are a creative professional and really looking to learn more about Canva, Canva is an app that's available. You can use it on mobile, you can use it on a desktop, but it's a really awesome software that allows you to be very creative. It has different, templates that you can build. So just say, I actually personally use it for invitations. I'm using, like, if I'm wanting to make an invitation for a birthday party, I will use Canva because, again, I can get really creative. It has pre-made templates that I can use, but I can also expand on them and get a little bit more creative and a little bit more fun. So this book is fantastic. I actually got this and I was really excited because it is color, and look at the images on the inside. So this is something that you would be able to refer back to. So maybe you're learning Canva and you're trying to figure out, okay, what exactly can I do in this tool? Because I know when I first started, I thought that was the hardest part, like trying to figure out, okay, what does everything mean? What do I click on if I want to do this? So this gives you a lot of instructions, right? You have a really good table of contents in here that talks about exactly what kind of Canva account you can start with, how to master different tools within Canva, working with images and elements, color. So it gives you not only just practical tips on how to use the software, but it gives you recommendations on how to make the designs your best, which I thought was really, really helpful. So again, you have color photos in here that walk you through exactly how certain settings are done and what you need to click on to get what you are looking for. But I love this book. Again, I find myself referring back to this anytime I have a question within Canva, and it makes it really, really easy. So I feel like I am going to be a pro, just by using this book. Honestly, it's really going to help you out. So not very many pages in here. You have about 140, so very easy to get through, but definitely recommend if you're any kind of creative professional that's looking to up your game a little bit with the software. Within this book, you also have tutorial videos that you can actually refer to in order to just create and see exactly how to use the tools that are within Canva. But definitely recommend this one. It is fantastic.